The Bishop of Honolulu, Hawaii, Larry Silva, was quick to reach out to parishioners impacted by the wildfires. He joins me to share more of what he's seeing now 6 months after these deadly fires. Bishop Silva, welcome, and you were with us right away when disaster struck. Tell us how parishioners are doing now, 6 months later, that there's been some time to grieve the lives lost and the loss of homes and businesses.
Yes, thank you very much. And thank you for your support. It has been wonderful to see the support of many, many people throughout our country with their prayers, of course, and their financial contributions. We've raised close to $7 million for outreach to the Lahaina community, which is suffering still so much. And we are very grateful to that. We also have started a second fund, which is a tuition assistance fund. It was felt it was very important to get our school up and running right away. The school building was burned, so there is a mission church in the town of Kapalua that was not burned, so that's where services are taking place. But they have established a tent school there on that property. Now it's very makeshift, and we are looking for another building. We actually have another building now that we are going to be renovating and moving to as a temporary site for the school. So we're excited about that. But of course, that is possible because of these great contributions that have come in from so many dioceses and individuals.
Of course. Would you say that that is the biggest need, supporting tuition assistance and helping schools, or have things changed? Yes. Are there new and different challenges?
Well, that is one of the biggest needs, because it really does help the families whose children are in the school, many of whom lost their homes and their livelihoods. And in fact, at least half of our teachers in that school lost their homes. So they are, dealing with the crisis as everyone else is. So we are, of course, many of them can't afford tuition and wouldn't be able to send their children to school if they didn't have tuition assistance. So we really appreciate that effort, that funding.
Course. And with jobs lost, even if they could before, they probably can't afford it now. You did mention in our last interview together, the last time that you were with us, that you were praying that people would not get disaster fatigue because the rebuilding process is so long. How are aid workers and people in positions of care and rebuilding holding up?
Well, I think, the people who are giving aid from the outside, I think, are holding up very well. I think they're well motivated. It is, the obvious needs are there, and they're responding very well. I'm very proud of the Knights of Columbus and thankful for them. I'm very proud of our young adult group, Epic Ministry. They have done incredible work in reaching out to that community. Now, one of the things that we are looking at and working on is a spiritual mental health ministry. Now, this was something actually that we started working on before this wildfire, but as the wildfire takes its toll on people and their livelihoods and their hopes and dreams, it is much more important now. And so we are really focusing on Maui and the community of Lahaina with that outreach. So we are looking at ways to send people over. We've sent people already to work with school parents and some of the parishioners and others who are interested, so that we can pray with them, so that we can just be with them.
And help them heal.
Unfortunately, there are not enough professional mental health workers to do all that is needed. And so we are really trying to engage the professionals to recruit and train others who have sympathetic ears and would be able to just listen to people. And sometimes that's really all that's needed, is just to know that someone cares and someone is with you, someone is praying with you and for you. And so, that is a ministry that we are working on as we speak.
And hugely
Um,
important, right, as the epidemic of
yes.
loneliness is so significant. Tell us about what you're looking forward to. We're in the season of Lent. We're all thinking about those important mortifications, of which your community has plenty to deal with. But looking toward Easter, is that something that you can really expect to have a robust celebration for? And are those bittersweet or a source of hope and joy?
Well, there is bittersweetness, as there is in the spiritual life. We leave behind what we sometimes value and sometimes inordinately value. That is what Lent is all about, I think. And yet, and that certainly isn't a reality for the people of Lahaina. Everything that they own and loved is up in ashes. And but I will say, despite the challenges, despite um, the spiritual and mental health struggles, I have detected a great hope in the people, and they have come together. They work together. They have not lost hope. They are reaching out to those who are in need, and I think it's a very beautiful expression of our faith that they are rising up from the ashes, as it were, and really trying to live out the meaning of Lent, so that what needs to be purified can be purified, and what gives life can give greater life.
Amen. Well, on behalf of all of EWTN, know that our prayers are with you. Thank you so much, Bishop Silva.
Thank you very much for all your support.